Hey everyone, this is Ryan with Giant Loop. Today I'm going to be showing you our Tillamook and Rogue dry bags. So one of the coolest features of the Tillamook, which I'm going to show you, not only is it our double-ended entry, the air purge valve, the backpack straps, all the grab handles, I'm going to show you how it anchors to a bike. So we have an integrated anchor system built into the Tillamook, which you attach to your bike, makes it really easy. No need for aftermarket straps, complex matrices of cables and ropes and whatever to attach it. It's really simple. So I have this here on our 1090 with our Around the Worlds, our Moto tracks with the panniers attached. And basically what I've done is I've attached 4 of the anchor straps which come with the bag, and you'll see. So all you do is you girth hitch it to itself. So you knot it around the wrap. So I've done it on 4 sides, as you'll see here. You just knot it like that. Hang on. So I've done it on 2 sides of each bike, and as you'll see, there's integrated buckles. So attaching this bag is super easy and super quick. So you can get off the bike, unload your luggage really fast, and it's super secure. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4's over here. That's actually for the dry bag. So with 4 anchor straps, pull it tight. There you go. And you can ride off into the sunset. And then when you want to take your bag into the hotel or go for a hike or something, that's it, you're done. So really, really fast, really simple. It's integrated into that, all for a dry bag under 150 bucks. So the Rogue does not have the integrated strapping system. It's a little bit smaller. So what you would do is you would use a pair of rock straps, you use our pronghorn straps, about 30 inches go around the side. You still get double-sided entries, air purge valve, grab handles, backpacks. So I'm going to show you, people commonly mount them to our Coyotes, to our Gray Basins, and to our Mojaves. But just for reference sake, we leave extra strap length on these so that you can take the Rogue or the Tillamook, either one. You put it through the bag. You'd probably feed the straps a little bit better through there, but just for reference sake. So you could have an additional 17 liters or 48 with the Tillamook attached to your Coyote, to your Mojave, to your Gray Basin. So that would be the integration. There was no need for an integrated strapping system with this just because it's so small, it's so light. So many good strapping systems out there. So either choice, a maximum 48 liters, a maximum 17. You can shrink this down to about 30, and you can shrink these down to 10 liters. So just because we advertise a 17 or 48 liter size, they can be reduced in size, or you can get them to grow a little bit more. So I wanted to show you the cool features of the Tillamook and how it integrates into the bike, and that's it. Thanks for watching.